Hey, you are watching this video through EOS R that I just bought today. This EOS R have the adapter with the Canon 50mm on. This is another test for the EOS R. I changed the colors a little bit from the light here and I changed the lens. Now it's the 16 to 35. It's look a little bit different. I think that this is look better, but it's because I changed the light, so I think it's look better than the rest of the video. And let's proceed the video with the 50mm, which I less like it. HDMI cable all the way to my Elgato card, which is 1080p. Also, the camera settings is working on HD 1080p, not 4K. The color for the camera is on neutral. Autofocus is on. Now I'm going to come close to the camera so you can see the autofocus. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, is too close? I'm going to go back, just back. So you can see the bokeh going back. Hello, hello. Hi. Okay, I'm going forward. Okay, so this is the 50mm. If you want to use this camera for streaming or just record yourself to your computer, this is how it will look like, more or less. I got some ring light over here. I'm going to change the color to be a little bit colder. Okay, so you can see the difference. This is colder, right? Hey, colder color. Going to change it, warmer, 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 warm, warm, warm. I'm going to give more light, more light, more light. This is way too bright. Too bright. Okay, this is very bright. Hello. This is look too bright, I think. Going to put it down. Okay, this is nice. Okay, I'm really happy with the results here. I usually use the Sony A7 III. I like the colors from Canon on human beings. The Sony look a little bit more cinematic. Sometimes it's looking a little bit different on the Sony. I'm not a professional photographer or video maker, but I do like the results on my screen better than I like the result from the Sony. I'm going to keep both cameras because I like to play with them both. So this is it. Don't forget to comment, smash the like, maybe consider to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.